वेलकम टू स्वाति लॉ इन्फो। आज हम करेंगे पार्ट सेकंड ऑफ एमसीक्यू सीरीज ऑफ कंपटीशन एक्ट 2002। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31। द कमीशन शैल नॉट initiate any inquiry after the expiry from the date on which such a combination has taken effect. The right answer is 1 year. Question number 32. Bid rigging in Competition Act anti-competitive bidding practice be explained in section 3 subsection 3. C. Bid rigging takes place when bidders collude and keep the bid amount at a predetermined level. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 33. Competition Appellate Tribunal bound by the procedure laid down in the CPC. Right answer is shall not be. Question number 34. Section dash of the Act enjoins no enterprise shall abuse its dominant position. Section 4. Question number 35. Dash are examples of agreement. A. Not intended to enforceable by legal proceeding, intended to be enforceable by legal proceeding, oral agreements. All of the above. 36. Two parties fix in a tender, colluding the lower price. Right answer is predatory pricing. 37. Appeal to Supreme Court can filed within 60 days. Question number 38. Competition fund shall be credited the government grant received by commission, the fees received under this act, the interest accrued on the amount in A and B. Right answer is all of the above. Question number 39. Merger or amalgamation of enterprises shall be combination if parties to acquisition jointly have in India. The right answer is A or B. Question number 40. In accordance with Competition Act 2002, following can be considered as consumer. The right answer is person purchasing good for personal use, person purchasing good for resale, person purchasing good for any commercial purpose. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 41. Which of the following as per the Competition Act 2002 refer to any agreement to sell goods on condition that the prices to be charged on resale by purchase shall be the prices stipulated by seller unless it is clearly stated that prices lower than those prices may be charged. The right answer is resale price maintenance. Question number 42. CCI stands Competition Commission of India. Question number 43. When was the CCI established? The right answer is 14 October 2003. 44. Question. Dash is the central economic goal of the competition policy. The right answer is the preservation and promotion of the competitive process. Question number 45. The central government appointed Honorable Justice aged 61 year Mr. H.C.G. as the chairperson of Competition Commission of India with the effect from the 1st January 2005. Right answer is can be appointed for a term of 5 years. Question number 46. Dash is a vertical agreement. The right answer is a refusal to deal. Question number 47. Following shall not be presumed to have an appreciable adverse effect on competition. The right answer is agreement by joint venture to increase efficiency in distribution of goods. Question number 48. An agreement for monopoly. Right answer is void. Question number 49. The Commission can make a reference to statutory authority for opinion on relevant issue that. The right answer is may arise during the course of proceeding before it, either at the behest of party to the proceeding or on its own motion. Question number 50. Last question. Following will be considered as abuse of dominant position. Directly or indirectly imposes unfair or discriminatory prices, limits or restricts production of goods or provision of service, indulges in practice or practices resulting in denial of market access in any manner. The right answer is all of the above. आई होप आपके लिए ये सेशन इन्फॉर्मेटिव रहा। अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ डू लेट मी नो इन कमेंट सेक्शन। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।